Live Lingua Spanish episode 217. Ask. Where are you from? Formal versus informal. Let's practice asking where people are from in Spanish. There are 3 ways to ask this in Latin America. There are 2 ways to ask an individual, and 1 way to ask a group. For an individual, there's a formal and informal way. For somebody you know well, you would ask, ¿De donde eres? Where are you from? This is informal. For somebody you don't know well, you would ask, ¿De donde es? This is formal. If you're not sure what form to use, err on the side of caution and use the formal. If you're asking a group of 2 or more people, you would say, ¿De donde son? Remember, there is no difference between the formal and informal versions in most of Latin America. There is in Spain, but in this course we're focusing a little bit more on the Latin American Spanish, so we're not going to cover what they call the vosotros form. In this exercise, ask the correct question based on the indications. Here are some examples. Your best friend. You would say, ¿De donde eres? Your doctor. You would say, ¿De donde es? A group of tourists you meet on the street. You would say, ¿De donde son? Let's get started. Empecemos. Your new boss. A group at a restaurant. A good friend. A doctor. A couple. Your cousin. And now let's do it again with the answers included. Your new boss.
¿De dónde es?
A group at a restaurant.
¿De dónde son?
A good friend.
¿De dónde eres?
A doctor.
¿De dónde es?
A couple.
¿De dónde son?
Your cousin.
¿De dónde eres?
Hey everyone, I hope you all enjoyed this video and your Spanish is improving like mine. You can continue the Spanish course by clicking on the next episode, which is on your screen right now. If there's any topic you want me to cover in a future episode, please just leave a comment below. And finally, if you want to get additional free Spanish practice, get early access to all of our videos, and find your ideal Spanish tutor, just click on the link in the description below. Thanks for watching. Hasta pronto.